Welcome to my channel, Sunshine Shoulders. We're over here Saturday. I bought the guys beer back as I promised for their. No,
Thank you.
but we I don't drink, but we need the bottles for the deposit. The bottle. So drink up, drink. Yeah, I promised the guys I was gonna bring them some beer every Saturday. That, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Until you're finished.
Thank you.
That's my promise to you guys. Y'all work so hard. Hey, Dante, that's the lead guy right here, Dante. I was gonna get him some Red Bull. some Red Horse. But they wanted San Miguel. Pilsner. Yeah, see, this is the bedrooms over here. They're putting up this hollow block fast, but what's going to be a lot of the work is the detailing. There's the concrete. I showed y'all the other day they had the rebar already inside. But man, they're putting in this. Look at her. She's so happy. It's starting to come together. We're starting to see the results. Sorry. Yeah, I decided to bring the guys some cold beer. You can see this. These walls are coming up good. And next week, I believe I'm going to buy the beams for the roof. And excuse me, huh? Yeah. They deserved it. So every Saturday, Sabado is how you pronounce it in Bisaya. The kitchen window. That's the kitchen area. I'm going to bring the guys some beer and, you know, chicharron, chips, because the Filipinos, they like to eat a little snack with their when they drinking their beer. But yeah, I'm happy with the progress so far. This is the front door right here. We're gonna have a small porch. $52 square meters. It's not a mansion, but I tell you what, having a roof over your head over here goes a long way, guys. Anywhere really, but here especially. Y'all see now what the cocoa wood was for. They'll drink all that beer. They'll be feeling good when they go home. I told them to save the bottles because there's a deposit over here on those bottles. I think it's 111 pesos, a little bit over $2 now with the rate now. It's 50.54 when I checked it today. I mean, it's really, the dollar's really rising up. Yeah, these guys deserve to eat and drink today. They're getting ready to get off. They happy. They only live about 20 minutes from here. They all do. So they don't have a long way to go. I don't drink. Drink up. I quit. That's my girlfriend's motorcycle. I want to show y'all something. It's a 150. Normally they're 125, so this has got a little bit more. It's no more than the jacked up, what they call them at home. We used to ride these back in the 90s. But over here, this is the mode of transportation. It's a 150, see? Not the 125, you see the 150. It's just a jacked up moped, really, is all it is. That's what we called it back in the day. But I'm excited, man. I just wanted to show y'all this. It's a Saturday, day 15. And you can see now that about where my fence is going to go. My wall is probably going to be even with their wall here. Come across here and straight back. And I'm going to have them build it too. Because you can't have a house over here without a wall, man. I just feel naked without it. I'm so used to everywhere that I've lived in the Philippines, we've had a gate and a wall. And without it, I'd feel naked. As y'all can see, it's coming together, man. These bricks coming up. Just wanted to give y'all like a little view, little update. So we got plenty of room back here. Again, where their bunkhouse is, it's going to be coming this way. It's going to be, I gave y'all the wrong measurements for the Sunshine Shoulders guest house. It's actually 3 meters across, 5 meters long. 3 by 5, 3 meters by 5 meters. The standard size of a deluxe hotel room with, you know, CR. You're gonna share the same septic tank, but it's gonna be a 3-chambered septic tank. And we bought a whole case of those chips. I guess they're taking some home for the kids. Okay guys, in America, you're getting ready to get up. No, you're still in bed, it's early. Unless you're on the West Coast, then it's about 12:30, but everybody else, you already sleep. So I'm gonna speak to your subconscious mind. When you get up, guys, ladies and gentlemen, please, when you're off to get your coffee, you're on your way to work, get the newspaper and you see somebody in the street, buy them something to eat, buy them something to drink, give them a few dollars. In the Philippines, it's almost 4 p.m. These guys are off for the day. I don't have to do this. I do it because they work hard, you know. The guy told me at the beer place, he said, man, I really appreciate how you treat those guys like family. Somebody did it for me, man. Every day we should go out and intentionally try to find somebody to help. Especially over here, I don't care if it's a foreigner or Filipino, because if I don't know anything else, I know this one thing for sure. We help other people, we help ourselves. Take care, stay safe, stay COVID free. I'll see you next time. Here's my little kitchen area. It's not too big, but it's big enough, trust me, for the Filipinos. They like that. Thank you guys, take care.